Headed up here. Decided this morning I get up, go pick the box that's been painted up, take it to sound shop. So headed up here now. You know, I got my driver today. Driving. So head up here, pick the box up, take it to the sound place. Well, we got the box loaded up, headed to the audio shop. Got everything loaded. We had Bojangles, and it's the only Bojangles I've seen is in High Point that ain't fucking open in the inside. Can't even walk in. So I guess we're gonna drive through with the car on the back. Fuck it. Alright. We got the car off the trailer. Dropping it off up here to get it done. Y'all see the name on the building. That's what she's doing. This is where the majority of my cars go when they're getting work done on installation and trying to system stuff. This is where they go. Let y'all see when I get done. On the inside here. This the man you want to see when you come in.
What up?
Talk to him about getting stuff done. That's the customizer guy right there.
Last night the sound of thunder.
They do everything up here. So if you want anything done, this is the place to go. Alright, YouTube, we made it back to the house. And guess what? Finally got the truck halfway decent. We cleaned old Barry White off. He ain't looking so bad no more. Yeah. Yep, another day of getting what I need to get done. Until the next time.